Mama, your whiskers.
Looks like your whiskers got an ice cream polish.
And your nose has a strawberry light bulb glowing on it. Come on, Mom. Give me the chocolate one, too.
Come on, Mom, give me the chocolate one too.
Oh no! I came here to eat ice cream, not to take an exam.
Forget all that. Give me my share first.
Mom.
Do pigeons eat ice grill too? Of course. I'm an expert in every flavor. Well then, ice cream finished. Time to lick our paws clean. I still have a little bit on my paw.
Me too, Mama. We're finally home.
Our paws are so sticky.
Wow, darling! You've turned the whole kitchen into a snowfall!
No, I did magic!
Look! The pancakes are dancing too! Laughter!